This is what studio reality looks like. It's nothing like you see in those beautifully arranged Instagram posts. Here's a whole bunch of wooden shapes that we just got and trying out how to paint on them and make them into pendants and earrings. And this is an awesome product for sealing it. Then the canvas drop cloths, an old shirt with a lot of stains but totally comfortable, so I just splattered it up even more. And then this is painting a canvas bag, and a friend did this one, and then just using the leftover paint to paint on paper. This is for trying out what to do with different tools like scrapers. More fabrics that have been painted, tried out what you can do with it. And then here's a rack of clothing, finished stuff, some stuff that needs to be finished, some more finished, some earrings, things to work with and do stuff with, and then some art stuff. So that's what studio reality looks like.